Your grow station comes packaged for easy assembly. The parts included in your box are Part A, Part B, which is the LED fixture, the power supply, the power cord, 8 screws, which 2 of them are already attached to the LED fixture, and 2 adjustable hanging cables. The only tool required is a Phillips screwdriver, which is not included. Lay Part A and Part B on a flat surface with the LED lights face down, making sure to lay the cables on the same side. Connect the bottom of Part A into the top of Part B, making sure that the screw holes and cables are aligned. Use 4 screws, 2 on each side, to tighten and secure both sides of the fixture. Attach the power supply to the middle of the fixture, making sure that all 4 corners are aligned with the screw holes. Slide the small metal pieces into the open hole slots so that the screw holes are visible. Use the 4 screws to tighten and secure all 4 corners of the power supply to the fixture. Connect the cables from the fixture to the power supply. There are small arrows and images on the connecting points of the cables to assist you in making sure that they are connected correctly. You will hear a soft click when they are properly connected. Now connect the power cord to the power supply. Again, you will hear a soft click when they are properly connected. This is what your grow station will look like assembled. Attach the hooks to the fixture. Use the hanging cables to hang the fixture. The cables are adjustable by pushing the little button on the top of the cables, which will allow you to adjust the cable length as desired. Your grow station is now ready to use.